In this video, we're going to show you how to make the perfect boiled egg every time. One of the things you need to do is grab your pan that you're going to use, of course, and put your eggs in there. Cover it up as much as you can with some water, and you want to add a pinch of salt in there. And the salt helps it to come to a boil quicker. Along with that, place your lid on top, and that makes sure, as well with the salt, both of them working together, you can come to a boil quicker. And turn your stove on to high, and we'll wait until it boils. Now that the water has come to a boil, we can turn the stove off and set the eggs to the side. And you need to set them to the side for 10 minutes. Now that the eggs have been finished cooking for 10 minutes, you want to drain the excess water off your eggs into the sink. Grab a spoon and place your eggs into an ice water bath, if you will. And what this will do is stop the cooking process and also help the eggshell to release from the egg a little bit better. And after you put all your eggs in this water solution, ice water, we want to leave that for 5 minutes.